Hi there, how are you doing? This is Menglin, and today I'm going to show you a tool for collaboration and interaction, and it's called WeChat. I introduced a little bit in the previous discussion, and today I'm going to discuss about how to use it in collaboration and interaction. So here on my iPhone interface, you see on the left top there is a green icon. It's called WeChat, although now it's in Chinese. I'll show you real quick. So just click it, and you see that's the sort of interface of WeChat. And yeah, I already changed it into English. So you can change the language as you want, which is pretty good. So you can change your language actually. And I already changed it into English so you could understand it better. So I'll go back. So the first one I'm going to show you is that how to communicate, how to use it to communicate. I would say it's quite the same as Facebook, as Messenger. So you can use, okay, first I will choose one person. This one's Snail. So this is my mom, and her nickname is Snail. So you can use different kinds of ways to communicate with a single person, with individuals. For example, you can choose photos, but obviously I do not have any photo in my phone now. I just deleted. And also camera, you can take a picture of it. So as you see, I'm using my microphone to recording this video. So I can take a picture of it, of a microphone. Something's going wrong here because I'm recording, so I guess the computer, the phone cannot support it. So anyway, you can take picture and send it to her later. Oh, it's not here. Okay, and then site and record a video using it. So I'm recording a video. Tap and hold longer. Okay, I'm recording. Then send it to her. So then she will see the video, right? And you can also use video call. So you can make a such as a. So I need to switch it. So now, as you can see, I'm talking with my mom, and although you cannot hear it, but because I'm recording. But anyway, that's the FaceTime interface. You can drag the sort of camera anywhere you want, and then just communicate. Switch camera. You can also switch the camera, so you can let her to see my environment, right? And then you can also switch to voice call if your internet is not so good. So basically, it will work as a phone call, right? And then I'm gonna finish this. Okay, so some other features like voice call or lucky money. Lucky money is like you transfer your money. This is nothing. Well, if you want to charge your students, then probably you can use the lucky money. You can ask them to pay for you, right? Pay for the tuition. And you can also transfer. And then location, you can share your location, send location. So I'm sending my location, and you need to keep it as a secret, right? I'm just kidding. So I'm sending my location. Then she will know where I am, and then just go find me. So if, in the collaboration, probably we are doing a group project, so we can use the location to find each other very easily, very convenient. For example, we are going to meet in the library, so you can send the location, and then others will go there easier, right? And then this is called walkie-talkie. Whatever, you can type it, and then others will get into this sort of chat room, whatever. And you can hold it, and then they will listen to your voice, listen to your message at the same time. Not the same time, but it's like you take turns to talk. Leaving it. And then I'm gonna show you this, because this is kind of like one the communication between individuals, like one person to one person. And now I'm gonna create a group. This feature is called group chat. This feature is also quite similar as Facebook. So group chat, I'm gonna add my mom and dad into it because I do not want to bother my followers or friends. Where's the nickname? Here. Wait a minute. Yes. So this is my dad. I'm gonna add him to the chat room. And also my mom, Snail. So S. No, not this one. S. Snail. Yeah, it's right here. So here, I'm gonna click OK on the right top. Yeah, so now you see there are 3 people in the chat room already. And the maximum, I think, now is 500 people. But I don't think we will add that many people in this chat room. So we'll do the testing here. So for the communication functions are quite the same. It's like photo, camera, site. So site is like you send short videos. I'm gonna send a short video here. Hold it. Here's the book. So today we're gonna read this book and just do your homework. I'm sending it. So as you see, my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. Yeah. So that's I'm showing them the book, right? This is sort of the assignment. It's quite convenient, I would say. For favorite is like when I saw the very good articles or some other materials, I could share it with them. For example, here are the articles I've saved before. For example, the first one is an article is about how to find good books. So I'm gonna share it with my group members, and then they could look at it look at it directly. And yeah, so other functions are quite the same. I want to show you again. Yeah, another function is that I can also send voice message like this. So I'm sending a message and do a homework. Okay, so you see there is a 7 seconds voice message. And if you are in a meeting, so you can click it and listen to it. But if you are not convenient to listen to it, you can also change it into text. It's quite simple. Just press it longer, and then you see more, right? You can turn off speaker or recall or more. So you click, no, not more. So you can, no, this function is not, probably there's something wrong here. Turn off speaker. Favorite, no, not this one. But I guess this function doesn't work in a group, but in the individual chatting, you can use it. So I'm recording again, and then you press this longer and more. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Favorite, edit, recall, how to talk. Oh, I guess the English version doesn't work. Doesn't have this function, but I will change it into Chinese. Let's change the language. because this is the first time I test English version. I used to use Chinese, so let's check it again. Here I'm holding it and I'm saying something, and then if you are in a meeting, you can click the third one. It's called transfer into text. So if I click it, then you'll see the voice message is changed into text. So if you are in a meeting, you're not convenient to listen to it, you can transfer it into text, which is quite convenient. Because I'm using English, so the translation, the transfer is not good at all. It doesn't make sense. But if you are speaking Chinese, it can translate really good. So that's some of the functions, how to collaborate and interaction in the chat room, in the WeChat. And I think these functions in WeChat is pretty convenient, and but it's not very convenient for a group with so many people, with many people, because this I guess this app is not designed to group people with like 500 people, that many people, because this is more for communication, communication with friends, with families. So anyway, you can use it in the classroom if the classroom is not that big. It's not like MOOC. If you have 10,000 people in a classroom, then that doesn't work. If it's that situation, I would prefer to use QQ chat room. That is much better. It's more like the connection, Adobe connection. But for this app, it's more for smaller group, like 100 people. I think that's the maximum. So anyway, that's the review of my WeChat collaboration and interaction reflection. So thank you for listening and watching, and see you next episode. Bye.